What's poppin', everybody? Back with another video. Today, I'm actually recording with my first movie. This is gonna be the first video. This guys is gonna be called meeting my family. So that's what's gonna happen, guys. So guys, I don't know if they want me to go in there right now, but yeah. But I'm new to this camera, so I'm not used to it, guys. But I will be recording in school everywhere, so that's what's gonna happen, guys. So let's get Love you. Oh, gotta go. That's the first person I will show you. Okay, this is my case. This is not you guys. Cousin, you know I'm just visiting. I wish I could have showed y'all guys. I went to Wisconsin. I wish I could have had this. My friends didn't really want to even tell me, so I didn't have it. But it's cozy. I have this new thing where I can post videos on YouTube, and I'm showing my whole family. So that's my brother. He's eating pizza. That is that's my mom. I don't know if she really wants to be shown her, but
you were just burning your pants away.
That's my mom, guys. Donald, do you want to hear? Look, I'm recording. I'm showing everybody my family, and that's my dad, guys.
What's up?
He calls himself Shake Pizzle. It's funny. Okay, Mom. I have to explain. So, guys, I'm recording, and this actually goes on YouTube. So, I'm showing my whole family. So, that is my sister, guys.
Tape your paperclip to the back of the phone.
Crazy, too. So, guys, I'm actually posting this on YouTube. So, got it. So, I'm back in my room. I'm gonna show my friend at school. Right now it was night time. It is 7:08. So I could be a daily vlogger, y'all. But I don't know if I have. So guys, I'm actually going to be doing this right now. But so let's get it. So I'm actually going to be getting on YouTube. So guys, this is all we're doing. We're going to watch YouTube. I don't know what we're going to watch on YouTube. But this is what I'm going to do. I don't know how I'm going to be videoing. I don't know how much I'm going to be videoing. Okay, that's it though. But I don't care, my Excel is done. But I guess I have to do it. Okay. Because I forgot. Let me get on them. Okay, guys. So I actually have to go. Like, my mom's going to help me. Like, Well, I gotta get on. But
We'll get on it right here and come on with it.
they're kind of hard. You know? I can.
Somebody invited my aunt to a birthday party.
Don't even talk about it. It's not going.
Okay, I'm in. There, I'm about to get on. Okay, I'm at 62 at that one and 27.
What?
I'm at 62 on this one and the other one.
What's the question?
It says select a detail that best shows the Underground Railroad used many forms of transportation besides trains.
Select the detail that shows the Underground Railroad used many forms of transportation. Yeah, because I haven't looked at it yet.
But you have to click, I think.
I would say right here.
Now you can click enter. Yay. I only have to make it to 85 in both of them.
Select the detail that best shows how many different best shows many different types of people respected Ben Franklin. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
I'm recording.
Please don't stop it. This is going on YouTube. I'll cancel it if you want me to. I won't put it on YouTube. They can also see what you're doing.
I see that.
They can see all the likes and stuff. Because I forgot because...
Is she doing it or you doing it?
Apparently I'm doing it, but I keep getting it wrong.
What is she supposed to do?
The following text is about a little brown fuzzy fruit called kiwi. Select the detail that best shows kiwis are good soil. Blah, blah.
But it doesn't say anything, so I don't get it. It doesn't say anything about the thing that it tells me to find. So that's why I don't get it.
I keep getting it wrong.
Kamar.
Select the detail that shows how objects in space reach higher than all but the rest of them.
Let me see.
Yeah, because I keep getting them wrong.
Identify supporting details in the informational text. What you got to get to?
85.
Okay, select the detail that best shows Niagara Falls is incredibly loud. Imagine being as small as a flea standing on the sidewalk next to an open fire hydrant. This is how visitors to the waterfalls at Niagara feel. The water drops from a height that is as tall as a 17-story building, roaring like a locomotive sending up an endless cloud of mist as it crashes onto the rocks and water below. Okay. It says select the detail that best shows Niagara Falls is incredibly loud.
I think it's where it says crashes onto the rock, because when stuff crashes on the rock, it's loud.
Roaring like a locomotive.
Oh, roaring. It's the one that you think you're on. Dude,
Okay.
you can just click right there.
All right. Select the detail that best shows the bees are facing multiple problems. Bees are crucial. They pollinate many crops. Scientists say bees have been hurt by a combination of factors. The factors include declining nutrition, mites, diseases, and pesticides. The federal plan is an all hands on deck strategy. It calls everyone to do what they can do to save bees. The insects provide more than $15 billion in value to the U.S. economy. Okay. What you got to get to? Select the detail that best shows some caterpillars can grow a lot before changing form. A caterpillar feeds on leaves eating so much that it must molt or shed its skin many times. It can grow up to 30,000 times larger than it was when it took its first bite. Once a caterpillar has eaten all it needs, it creates a protective covering called a chrysalis. Curls inside the chrysalis, it is growing wings. Now it is time for metamorphosis, change from one form to another. Select the detail that shows some caterpillars can grow a lot before changing form.
30, whatever kind.
It can grow up to 30 times larger than it was when it took its first bite. Hold on, show that the caterpillar can grow a lot before changing form. Yeah. Select the detail that best show dog sleds help hunters be more successful. The dog sled has played a key role in the history of northern Canada, and Alaska. The Inuit and the Yupik people probably first used dogs to pull sleds about 1,000 years ago. Compared to hunting on foot, the dog sleds help them travel much further and faster over the snow and ice and enable them to haul. Okay. He said, best shows help hunters be more successful. Okay, we go on with that. Detectives now know Maurice was alive on the afternoon of December 7th. Select the detail that best shows meteoroids travel quickly through space. Why do meteors light up the night sky? Think about it like this. On cold days, you can warm your hands by rubbing them together. You create heat because a force called friction is at work. Friction can be created in Earth's atmosphere to some meteoroids cruises toward our planet at more than 150,000 miles an hour. As a space rock rubs against gases in the atmosphere, it creates heat. All that heat makes it glow. Okay, it said, select the detail that best shows meteoroids travel quickly through space. A red pickup truck appears on the north side camera and pulls into Maurice's driveway. Video and seeing this red truck pull in, I was excited. Yeah, that'll be the best one. The following text is about the early life of Neil Armstrong. He was the first man to walk on the moon. Select the detail that best showed Neil Armstrong could fly on his own before he could drive on his own. He mowed the lawn at a cemetery. He helped bake donuts at a donut company more than $1,300 a night. All this extra money went to flying lessons. By the time Neil was 15, he had earned his pilot license. Now he knew how to fly planes, but he was still too young to drive. Okay, there we go. Right there. Bam. Select the detail that best shows you probably won't see many tall plants if you go to visit the Arctic. The Arctic is the second coldest place on Earth. In winter, the sun never rises and temperature sinks to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. which is negative